The auto attendant answers incoming calls automatically and routes them to messages which allow them to input digits and select their required destination without the intervention of an operator. The first step in programming the auto attendant is to connect to the installer portal. Go to the Trunks tab and select Call Flow. Here you have a list of the phone numbers on the system, and you can program the system to route incoming calls on a number to an auto attendant by clicking on the Edit button. On this page you can edit the call flow for this particular number. In our case we want to select an auto attendant message, so click on the symbol in the auto attendant panel here, and you have a list of all the available auto attendant messages. We'll select the welcome message and press save, and this number now is assigned to answer calls with the welcome message. Now that we have routed the incoming call flow to be answered by the auto attendant message, we must program the auto attendant message and how it will handle these calls, and program the interactive responses of the auto attendant message to the selections made by callers. To do this, we go to the System tab and select Auto Attendant. On this page are listed the 300 auto attendant messages of the system. Each message can be programmed with an individual name. The second column indicates the duration or length of the message, and the third column contains some controls which allow us to play, to delete, or to upload a file to be used as the auto attendant message. An auto attendant message can also be recorded on the phone of any user of the system that has operator rights. Each message also has a unique internal number which is used for programming in the call flows, and it also has a delay timer. If the delay timer is set to 0, incoming calls are answered immediately by the auto attendant. If the delay timer is set to a non-zero value, the start of the auto attendant is delayed while any phones that are programmed will be rung, waiting for the auto attendant to kick in. The last column allows you to attach a queue message to a hold message. The auto attendant can be programmed to play a hold message to waiting callers and to repeat this message at regular intervals. At the end of every playing of the hold message, the queue message can give the position in queue to the caller who's waiting. Pressing the digits link for a welcome message or an auto attendant message allows you to program the interactive responses of the auto attendant to digits dialed by the users during that message. The digits assignment page for each auto attendant message contains programming options for the digits 1 through 9 and star and hash. Typical actions that you can assign to a digit are to route the caller to an internal or an external number, or indeed to another auto attendant message. You also have options on this page to program actions to be taken if there are no digits dialed by the caller after a certain number of seconds, or if the caller's destination is busy or unavailable. That's an overview of the auto attendant programming. More details are available by clicking the help symbol on the auto attendant programming page and scrolling down for all the details of the parameters that need to be configured.